Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be explaining some other natural home treatments for penis enlargement. We have highlighted some treatments in the part 1 of this video. Do you have a small dick? And you wish to enlarge it to your preferred size? Follow me till the end of this video as I carefully explain some home treatments which you can use to get what you desire. First method. For this method on natural remedy for big manhood, we are going to need 2 ingredients. 1. Ripe banana. 2. Olive oil. You will peel the ripe banana and put it inside a plate. You should note that this type of banana are the ones we usually eat and not the ones normally used for plantain. Use your spoon or fork to march the banana just like you are seeing it in this video. Get your olive oil ready, pour a reasonable amount of olive oil in it. The size of the banana will determine the amount of olive oil you will pour into it. This mixture has to be thick, be sure the mixture is not light. Apply it on your manhood by using it to massage your manhood. Take note, please don't let it touch your testicles. If it happens, be sure to clean it off immediately because we do not need the testicles to be getting bigger. Avoid such error please. Use this constantly and see the process gradually. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video as I will be posting more valuable contents on this channel. Second method. For this method on natural remedy for big manhood, we are going to need 2 ingredients. 1. Alligator pepper. 2. Sausage plant. Get 1 fruit of sausage plant, cut it into pieces then transfer it into cooking pot. Pour about 2.5 liters of water inside the pot. Take your alligator pepper, peel it and grind the grains of paradise into powdery form. Add ½ teaspoon of the powder to the sausage plant inside cooking pot. Boil this mixture for at least 30 to 40 minutes. After boiling, let it cool down. You can drain the mixture and store it in a fridge or a cool dry place. Take a shot of glass 1 hour before or after food in the morning. Take a shot of glass 1 hour before or after food in the evening. Repeat this process constantly for about 4 weeks and you will start seeing results. Another method. For this method on natural remedy for big manhood, we are going to need 2 ingredients. 1. Sausage plant. 2. Black soap. Get 1 fresh fruit of sausage plant, cut small out of it. Pound the small part you cut from the sausage plant with the black soap. Use the soap to be washing the penis. Do this constantly and the manhood will start getting bigger. Please do not forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.